all students in PUSD, and the students here are here today to honor your legacy that you will leave.
On behalf of the Keller student body, I want to congratulate you on your retirement and thank you for serving. You have so much passion for what you do, and I just really wish you the best for the rest of your retirement.
I'd like to thank you. We truly appreciate all you've done, and you will be missed. Congratulations on your retirement.
Dr. Santarelli has always taken the time to sit with us and listen to our ideas and really take it to heart, and he's actually doing some of the things we've asked him to do, which is really awesome.
And it's been a pleasure working with you, and we wish you luck on your next adventures.
I think everyone in here that knows Dr. Santarelli can agree with me that you don't have to know him for very long to know how genuine of a person he is and how kind his heart is.
And you have inspired so many people to achieve excellence. Words cannot describe how much this district will miss you.
I absolutely appreciate everything you've done for me, sir. I am a better man, I'm a better father, and a better husband because of the impact that Dr. Santarelli had in my life. Thank you, sir. God bless you. Thank you.
Well, I certainly have lots to say, but I don't know if I'll be able to do it. There's no question in my mind that what is happening in our schools is the greatest thing that's happening in our country today. The greatest thing. And it's because of the countless hours and dedication that our teachers and staff members and leaders provide, and the hard work and creativity and genius of our young people. And I would invite anybody and everybody to come into our schools and see the miracle that happens every day.